Alright people, as promised, we're back. I brought a carburetor with me today and a fuel tank. What we're going to try to do, I even brought a ladder today. You ought to be proud. Anyway, we're going to try to hang a fuel tank, whip a line down, gravity feed it right into the carburetor is the ultimate goal. I just need to get this running and idling long enough to come up to temperature so that we can make sure. Oh, I sure think it's a good one, but I just need to verify before we go through the work of taking her out. And, well, heck, that's already unhooked. Can't beat that with a wooden club. I know, it's a stupid saying, but oh well. Got some water right there. Now come off there. So can't let you down there without bending you. Beautiful. All right. So we're just gonna. You're not gonna pop off there, are you? I might have to unbolt that. It looks like it's rusted fast. But anyway, we'll get everything taken apart here. Set the other carburetor on it and a fuel cell, and then it should. Actually, I don't even have to unhook all of that because I can just set this to the side for now. Because the carburetor I'm putting on, I have to take back off to put on my other truck. It's kind of like my battery. I just take it around and use it on everything. So I don't need to unhook that one either, do I? Just fuel line, throttle linkage, and the return spring, which is off now. So, all right, well, you guys probably don't want to watch me do all of this, so, and she's turning. Where's my, oh, I'm sitting on them. Where's you can't find them. All right. I can't use the fuel tank that's on it. There's no lid on it, and it's sitting here for however many years it's been sitting here. It's been over here for, oh, I'm going to say close to 5 years. And how long did it sit before it was brought in here? I really don't know yet. Dad is supposed to be trying to get a hold of the guy that we got it off of, see if he knows anything about it, just out of curiosity, so I can let you guys know. But because I'm curious to how long it sit here, because this thing started up pretty easy, all jokes aside. Oh, darn it. As you can tell, the wind is pretty nasty up here. So I'm gonna kick you guys off while I do this, and I'll bring you back when I get the new one on it. Alrighty? Alright guys, I hope you can hear me with the wind. Anyway, I've got the carburetor on it, as you can see. Gravity line up, little lawnmower tank, 1.5 gallons, should gravity feed right into it. So I am going to go over here, get some gas dump in it, and I'll bring you back to see if it starts. Alright, hit the switch. Try her again. Again. Alright. Well, that tickles me to death. Yeah, it sounds good, don't it? Look at the oil pressure gauge up on the dash, left side. Plugged out. I know it was 60 pounds when I was cranking it over. That thing, that's what it sounded like when I started, no smoke. I just want to, it's full antifreeze. I'm going to let it run until it seats the gaskets good, just leave her idle. Alright, let's turn that osmond up a little bit. Try to get some heat up in her. Yep. Still full of oil, looks good. The last video, this right here is what I was showing you guys. That's why that's down there. Alright, I'll bring it back in a bit. No smoke. Sounds like a champ. Burn off a little bit of oil that was spilled, or that penetrating oil that I sprayed everywhere. But that thing sounds great. She's just starting to circulate a little bit now. I literally haven't touched it since I turned you off there a minute ago. It's I don't know, maybe a quart and a half of gas in it. Oh, that thing sounds good. I am tickled pink. I'll try to get a picture of the old rollback, throw it in the video there for you. I think it's a 70 or 72 also, I'm not sure. Well, you can't see it from here, it's sitting down there by the building. But alright, I'll bring you back in a bit. Alright guys, I lost the audio to this. Just wanted to let you know what's going on. Got the old carburetor back on it now. We let it get up to temperature. Run, I don't know, we run about a gallon of gas, just let it sit there and idle. It sounds great, so we are going to pull it. The old carburetor and everything was put back on it just so that nothing gets in the engine for now. It'll have to come pretty soon because the one in the rollback, it's dying very, very quickly. And the last trip, it took 2 quarts of oil, killed 1 spark plug. I had to actually hook the skid steer to him, drag him up in over here. It didn't have enough power to make it up the driveway. So it'll be very quick. That's really all there was. Old pony there, she's barking, she's wanting to leave. She's tired, she's done. So I'm gonna head over and work on the other truck now, and thank you guys for watching. See you next time.